Good morning, respected madam, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak a few lines about an important project initiated by the Indian government towards making our country green and clean. Yes, friends, I am talking about the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, also known as Clean India campaign, was launched by the Indian government to deal with the problem of cleanliness across the country. This campaign is especially subjected towards educating and acknowledging people of our country about the importance of cleanliness in our surroundings. This campaign especially aims to provide people access to proper hygiene and health. This is an important project initiated by the Indian government towards the development of India as prosperity and success door is opened by the cleanliness in life. Let's not litter and remember that it only takes a few seconds to throw garbage, but it takes many years for it to decompose.